How school bond elections work in Texas. School bond elections in Texas follow a process set by state law. Here's a simple breakdown of how it works. First, districts identify facility needs by conducting a thorough district-wide assessment of needed repairs, renovations, and expansions. This can include aging buildings, safety updates, capacity, and long-term planning. Districts review data, including facility conditions, enrollment trends, demographic projections, and projected costs. They develop a multi-year master plan that aligns capital investments with educational goals and assesses the INS tax impact. Many districts, including Victoria ISD, also involve a community group, like our 43-member Bond Action Committee, to review information, build trust, and provide input. The school board then calls for an election. This places the bond proposition or propositions on the ballot for voters. Voters decide whether to approve or not approve each proposition. If approved, the district can move forward with hiring architects, engineers, and contractors to begin the design, bidding, and construction process. If not approved, the proposed projects do not move forward. School bond elections give the community the opportunity to decide on funding for large capital improvement projects that can only be funded with bonds. That's because general school funding is built to support everyday operations, not large construction projects, so bonds are the process used to fund those types of improvements. Every step in the process is guided by state law and local oversight. Information about the VISD Bond 2026 is available at visd.net/bond 2026. Early voting runs April 20th through April 28th. Election Day is May 2nd. Victoria ISD encourages all eligible voters to review the information and participate in the election.